Need to update your address on TapTap Send so your money gets where it needs to go, quickly. Alright, let's dive in and get your address updated first. Unlock your phone and locate the TapTap Send app icon on your home screen. You'll recognize it by its distinctive blue and white logo. Tap the icon to launch the app. Once the app opens, you'll be at the home screen, where you can see your recent transactions. Now, look for your profile icon. Usually at the top left corner of the screen, it might look like a silhouette or your initials. Tap on your profile icon to access your account settings. This will take you to a new screen with your profile details. Within your profile settings, you'll find a section for your personal details. Look for an option or tab like Personal Details, My Information, or something similar that clearly indicates where you can view or edit your profile information. Tap on this section. Now you should see your personal information, including your current address. Scroll down the list or look around the screen until you find the field labeled address or something similar. This is where you'll make the changes. Tap on the address field. This will likely open a form or allow you to edit the existing address details. Carefully enter your new address information into the available fields. This typically includes all the details like your street address, apartment number, city, and postal code. Be sure to double check everything for accuracy. Once you've finished, there should be a button to submit or save the changes, usually somewhere on the bottom or top of your screen. Once you've input everything correctly, tap this button. The app may then ask to confirm your changes or just begin processing them. Your address has now been updated. This update will ensure that your future transactions and communications are directed to the right place, so you don't miss out on any important information. And that is all there is to it. Thanks for watching.